You have to feel emotions kahit a little bit. Huwag mo iseclude yung sarili mo outside of that kasi if you do, sasabog ka. And once sumabog ka, damay lahat.
Yeah.
Which is bad kasi building up all that emotion. Tapos pag ikaw yung kausap niya at that time, sa'yo ilalabas yan. And which is...
Just projecting.
Projecting na yun. It's okay to cry.
I think kasi if you're going through something, the more you try to suppress it, it'll just snowball. And then one day it will project onto the things that matter to you most.
Yeah.
The more you try to suppress it, feel ko it'll come out one way or another in a way na you don't like.
If you're very vocal sa feelings mo, kahit a bit, kahit medyo uncomfy ka, at least in-encourage mo yung sarili mo na this is what I need to feel, valid naman to. Being weak and being vulnerable is very pangit sa pakiramdam.